Assalamu alaikum. I'm Luqman Qaida and this is Shaykhi Academy. Alhamdulillah, after finishing the first two harakat, al-fath and al-kasr, today inshallah we will move to the third harakah, which is al-Dhamm, by knowing how to pronounce al-Dhamm. So stay tuned.
Shaykhi Academy.
This is just to remind you that we are explaining using Al-Minhaj book, the official book of Shaykhi Academy. So al-Dhamm, the third harakah we have after al-fath and al-kasr. So al-Dhamm is the third type of al-harakat, and al-harakat is the first category of the symbols. As we say always, to be able to read Arabic, you have to learn the letters and the symbols. These symbols divided into, we can say, 5 categories, 5 groups, 5 units, whatever you can say. So we have the first group, al-harakat, al-mudud, and sukun, al-tanween, al-tajdid. So al-harakat has 3 lessons: al-fath, al-kasr, and al-fath and al-kasr. We finished them. So today we have al-Dhamm here. Okay, so how to pronounce al-Dhamm. Okay, as we explain always before going and explain the letters that has this harakah and read them, we have to know first of all how to pronounce that letter. So how to pronounce al-Dhamm. Okay, so we pronounce al-Dhamm by rounding the lips, or ضم الشفتين. So الشفتين, the lips will be rounded or will be circled like this. Ooh, ooh. Okay, this is the way of pronouncing al-Dhamm, or the letter that has dhamma. Ooh, boo, tu. So we have the circle has to be rounded or circled. Okay, this is what's called in Arabic ضم الشفتين. So let's now know the shape of the lips when pronounce letter with dhamma. Okay, so this is the shape of the lips, will be rounded like this. Okay, so what is the proof or the evidence that when we pronounce al-Dhamm we have to round the lips like that? Okay, let's take قول الإمام الطيبي, or the saying of الإمام الطيبي. So he said, وكل مضموم فلن يتم إلا بضم الشفتين ضما, which means the pronunciation of the letter that has dhamma will not be an accurate or a complete dhamma. The dhamma will not be complete except when you make your lips like rounded or circled like this. Ooh, boo, tu. So وكل مضموم فلن يتم will not be an accurate. الضمة will not be complete إلا except بضم الشفتين ضمة, except the lips will be rounded or circled. Okay, so one of the common mistakes here is not rounding the lips. How that come? Make it like this: ooh, boo, tu, thu, without rounding the lips. This is not an accurate or not complete dhamm. Ooh, boo, tu, thu. No, you have to make like this: ooh, boo, tu, thu. Okay, this is the accurate pronunciation of al-Dhamm. Okay, so one of the common mistake is not rounding the lips, and this is not just a common mistake between non-native Arabic speakers. No, I found this a common mistake even between Arabic speakers themselves. So take care. So again, so Al-Imam al-Tibi again says, فإن ترى القارئ لن تنطبقا شفاهه بالضم كن محققا بأنه منتقص ما ضم والواجب النطق به متم. Which means if you find the reciter or the one who say any letter that has dhamma but the lips is not rounded or circles, be sure that this ضم is not complete and they should make it rounded or circled. Okay, so this is prove the same point, which is how we pronounce الضم by circling the lips, and the same point also of the common mistake, which is not rounding the lips, because Al-Imam al-Tibi spoke to us and explained this common mistake, and he said when you find someone say any letter that has dhamma without circling or rounding the lips like this, bu, tu, thu, without making this bu, tu, thu, make sure that this dhamm is not complete and he has to round, or they have to round their lips. Okay, so this is how to pronounce al-dhamm, and this is a common mistake when we pronounce al-dhamm. So now we came to the end of this episode. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below, and see you inshallah in the next episode. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. Now we came to the end of this episode. So if you want to follow up the next episodes, consider subscribing. Also, if you want a qualified Quran tutor, whether for yourself or your kids, we are providing online Quran classes. Don't forget to check out our app. See you inshallah in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.
Shaykhi Academy. Learn and enjoy.